lots of dentists. So
Yeah.
I maybe will ask them what to do with this.
Oh, they really swallow it, don't they?
That's another one.
This one's huge.
Don't pull it in anymore, Bob.
To do this afterwards. This is so fast with the mouse.
An extra whole row of
This one is waterproof to 1 meter.
Okay, so it's splash proof.
Yeah, splash proof, basically, yeah.
Trying to get the cut view.
And also with the OS Transit model, you can put it into Bluetooth to your cell phone and see the angle and adjust the camera.
Very good. Pretty cool. The GoPro brought out that back for it.
And it's got a built-in GPS.
No way.
Contour.
Contour.
Yeah, I did look at the GoPro very closely, but I selected this one.
Those ones, they're even cheaper.
Yeah, they are a bit cheaper, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
No, at least they're not even 200 US. My one was.
Stinking water, the fly fishing reels.
Okay,
I think it was the big ones, isn't it? Every winter, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's what that was a nice job over winter. Inside and connected with fishing.
Yeah. It's got a very good wheel.